Okay students, now we are going to solve another questions, that is question number 13 of 9.1. In this question, as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. First of all, students, we have to draw a sea level. Suppose it is sea level. Clear? Here it is A and it is B. Clear? Now here one lighthouse is there. It is the top of the lighthouse. It is lighthouse. Okay. Two ships. Suppose one ship is here and second ship is here. Two ships. From the top of the lighthouse, which is 75-meter high, from the sea level, the angles of depression, whenever the word angle of depression is there, there must be horizontal line at the top, okay, or baseline at the top. First of all, you have to draw a baseline by which you will draw the angle of depression. How will you draw this baseline? You have to draw simply the parallel line parallel to this horizontal line. Okay, suppose it is X. Okay, now angle of depression of this ship is 30 degree. It is 30 degree, and angle of depression of this ship is 45 degree. This you have to draw. Okay. Now, see one thing. See one thing. Here, A, B, it is, suppose it is C, it is D. AD is the height of the lighthouse, AB is the sea level, and B and C are the two ships. It is also a ship. It is also a ship. Okay. And this is the baseline or horizontal line, we can say. With this baseline, two angles are drawn. That is, two angle of depressions are drawn. One is 30 degree and one is 45 degree. See, this DX and AB are parallel. And if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then the alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, this angle must be of 30 degree and this angle will be of 45 degree. Clear? Now students, we have two right triangles. First one is DAC and second one is DAB. Clear? So, we will write here what is given. Given, first thing, height of the lighthouse. Writing here, first one, height of the lighthouse, that is AD, is equal to 75 meter. Second thing, angle XDB. XDB is equal to 30 degree, and third angle XDC is equal to 45 degree. These three things we have given. Okay. To find the distance between two ships, to find distance between the ships. Okay. Now, since dx parallel to AB from figure, okay, dx parallel to AB, this implies angle DBA is equal to angle XDB is equal to 30 degree, and angle DCA is equal to angle XDC is equal to 45 degree. Clear? Now, in triangle DAC, what is tan 45 is equal to DA upon AC, AD upon AC. Tan 45 is 1 is equal to AD, that is 75 upon AC. This implies AC is equal to 75 meter. Clear? Now, in big triangle DAB, in triangle DAB, what is tan 30 degree is equal to AD upon AB. AD upon AB. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to AD, that is 75 upon AB, that means AC plus BC. AC plus BC. So 1 upon, or we can write 1 upon root 3 is equal to 75 upon 75 plus BC. Clear? This implies 75 plus BC is equal to 75 root 3 by cross multiplication. Clear? This implies BC is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75, or taking 75 common, then root 3 minus 1 inside the bracket is meter. So our answer is BC, we have find 75 root 3 minus 1. So we will write this required distance between two ships is 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. Now students, what is the task? Pause the video to be noted down.